Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will talk on what happens when we report and block someone on WhatsApp. Friends, sometimes we receive promotional messages in WhatsApp from unknown numbers and you will find three options of report, block and add to contacts. If you click on block, then WhatsApp will block the sender to send you repeat messages. And you can report and block this message if you find this message promotional. So if you report this message, then WhatsApp may block the sender of this message permanently. I just show you, as this is a promotional message, so I am reporting this message. Now this number is reported to WhatsApp and will not be able to send more messages to my number, and all its chat messages will be deleted. So I am pressing report. So friends, like this you can report and block unwanted messages. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.